All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. How your mother be now? Hope you're doing fine. Come on, your body. Oh, she. All right, some people will take Nigeria so emotional. Don't they feel I'm bad as we don't miss our big daddy, the daddy we designed the Nigerian flag. The green, white, green, we stand for peace and unity. As he don't kick the bucket, so many people know they happy because of the loss of this great man, what they call Taiwo akinkunmi. Now this man so now he designed the Nigeria's flag with a green, white, green. We stand for peace and unity. All right, before we go to the news proper, I beg if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, make you please click the red subscribe button and make you also click the bell icon for notifications for new videos as we dey drop them shortly. Come on your body. Oh shit. All right, we'll go straight to the news now. Taiwo akinkunmi, designer of the Nigeria's flag, is dead. A significant part of Nigeria's post-independence history came to an end on Tuesday with the death of Taiwo akinkunmi, the man who designed Nigeria's green, white, green flag. Akinkunmi died in the early hours of Tuesday after a brief illness. He was aged 87. Though akinkunmi was born in the ancient city of Abeokuta, Ogun State on Monday 10, 1936, he lived in Ibadan until his demise. One of his children announced his death on Facebook. He wrote, "Life is indeed transient. I can say boldly that you live a life with a landmark. Continue to rest, my father. Michael Taiwo akinkunmi, OFR, great man, has gone." He attended Baptist Day School, Ibadan, for his primary education and Ibadan Grammar School, Ibadan, for his secondary education. Akinkunmi started his career as a civil servant at the Secretariat of Ibadan and later traveled overseas to study agricultural engineering at Norway Technical College. In 1958, during his stay abroad, he stumbled upon an advertisement in a national daily calling for the submission of designs for Nigeria's national flag in view of Nigeria's imminent independence from British suzerainty. His entry was adjudged the best among the roughly 2,000 entries submitted. The original design of a flag featured a white band flanked by two green ones and a red sun with streaming rays located on the white band. The sun was eventually removed by the screening committee to produce the present design. Akinkunmi's design was selected because of its ingenuity and profundity, as the green bands represent the forests and abundant natural wealth of the country, while the white band represents peace. The flag was officially hoisted on Independence Day, October 1st, 1960, replacing the British Union Jack. Akinkunmi was awarded £100 by the government when his design was selected. He also bagged national honors like Member of the Order of the Niger, MON, bestowed on him by former President Goodluck Jonathan. Alright, that's it for now. Come on your body. Oshe, Akinkunmi, Michael, don't do in part now. What about you? Those ways to the break record, those ways to the enter the Guinness Book of Record, those ways to the try to make sure say one or two things first come out for their name before they die. I beg make una still keep up the good work. Make una still they do una own. For akinkunmi, don't go your own. You don't finish in good work, you don't go rest. Come on your body. Oh shit. What up? If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, how far? What do you they wait now, bro? I beg subscribe, I beg. Come on your body. Oh shit.